What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Please subscribe, comment below. Now, I told you in the last video, we're going to talk about Sam's Club, and they're bringing these robots in to sweep and mop the floors. So, I told you, I don't know if you guys remember from the White Castle video I uploaded about the burger flipping robots. Sam's Club, this COVID 19 is bringing a lot of changes with these companies. They see they can save money on certain things right now, because who knows what another pandemic will bring. This pandemic wiped out a lot of business. So these major companies are thinking, how can we save money and still make money and have the best production? So Sam's Club is bringing in these robot janitors. Okay, that's going to cut down on right now, a lot of these companies, they outsource third party companies for janitorial work. Now, I don't know if I don't think Walmart, aka Sam's Club, does that. But now they're testing these robots. Think about how many jobs that's going to replace in the near future. So I upload these videos because I want you guys to think about, how can I be a better person as far as making money, because in the long run, a lot of these jobs are going to be gone. So how can you reinvent yourself? How can you innovate and make more money? Multiple streams of income is a must. So in partnership with Brain Corp, an artificial intelligence company, the membership only warehouse chain will distribute 372 autonomous floor scrubbers to its stores this fall. And this is coming from CNN Business. Now, think about if Costco and these other major retailers start doing this, they are paying attention to what Sam's Club is doing. Let's see. The move comes at a time when shoppers are looking for grocery experience that involve less human contact. They're going to say that these robots are due to the less human contact, the COVID-19, but in reality, it's making things go faster. They're using that as an excuse, so it's making things go faster to go more autonomous, saving money on insurance, saving money on pay, major pay raises, and just all around for the shareholders as well. So you guys have to pay attention, man. Reinvent yourself. It's all about, like I said, multiple streams of income. It's like the air we breathe. Think about when your kids get older. Things are going to be so much different. So let's see. They believe robots and AI offer solutions that can help bring down costs and improve store operations. Like I just said, improving store operations, but bringing down costs to put more money in their pockets. You know what I mean? So, it's a capitalism. We live in a capitalistic society. It's all about saving money on overhead and putting more money in your bank account. There's strong interest in moving rapidly in this direction because everyone knows they need to raise their game to stay competitive. Sam Club, and that's from Brick Meets Click Consulting. Bill Bishop, the co-founder of Retail and Grocery Consulting, the firm Brick Meets Click. Sam Club isn't the first of its kind to implement this technology in stores. Walmart wants its store employees to help customers instead of mopping floors and unloading boxes in back rooms. So it's increasing turning to robots to fill those tasks. Last year, Walmart announced that February 2021, it expects to have autonomous floor scrubbers. Wow, I missed that one. So by next year of 2021, Walmart will have the same thing going on as it has in Sam's Club stores. Because, case in point, those are the same companies under one umbrella. Wow. You guys get ready for that. Get ready. And there will be bots at 1,700 stores that will automatically scan boxes as they come off delivery trucks and sort them by department onto conveyor belts. Now, I know that Amazon has these things where you can scan it on the grocery basket or the cart. You don't even have to go to a checkout. So this is coming, guys, man. Reinvent yourselves. Uh, get prepared. We're going to talk about it in the YouTube community. We're going to talk about it in the social media community. And you know what? Let's not get mad at these companies. Let's reinvent ourselves and see how can we make money and make a living and go into the future of technology. That's what it's all about. So you guys, let me know what you think. Please subscribe. See you next time on Financier Pro YouTube channel.